Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be doing unboxing this mobile and I will give my first impression for this phone, Samsung A11. This is another addition for Samsung A line, especially Samsung A10s, which was the superb hit mobile for over 1 year time. Let's talk about Samsung A11 price, specification and everything. Let's talk about the price for this mobile. This mobile is approximately $160. What we are getting on this mobile between $160, 6.4-inch display. We are getting 2 lens camera in addition to the depth camera. Let's talk about inside feature. After A10s, A11 came with 32 GB memory and 2 GB RAM with 1.8 GHz processor. I'm going to unbox this phone and see. The addition to this mobile, as usual, no case, you have to buy separately. Let's talk about the accessory. Oh, good. This mobile has C-type data cable which help very fast to charge with a fast adapter. Injector of the SIM card and hand-free. Samsung A11 Infinity display, Android, as I said it before, 13 megapixel wide camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel it has depth camera. Plus this mobile has panorama HDR flash, which is class. Let's continue. Let's talk about the front camera, 8 megapixel, very shooter camera, same like Samsung S10, same design, everything. Let's talk about the aggressive feature. This mobile has switching on off system also from here, you see. Let's go to the setting. About the software, this mobile has 10.0 Android software version. Let's talk about memory RAM. As I said at the early place, this mobile is 32 GB, 2 GB RAM. Top of that, what addition they have added on this mobile which Samsung A10s did not have it. Go to the security system of this mobile. This mobile has face unlocking system, fingerprint. Face unlocking is an addition thing on this mobile. As usual, pattern, pin, password, they are all there. Another aggressive feature which I'm gonna introduce you is Netflix. As you see this one. Let's talk about the body. It's a plastic body. Sound system has to be like a bass sound, very good quality, better than A10s. As I said early place that this has the C-type many applications which Samsung A10s did not have it, this mobile it has. Let me show you guys, like Facebook officially there, Samsung Global Goals, booking.com, all these applications automatic is it, just need to upgrade it, continue this mobile. My view, this is 40% better than Samsung A10s, which the price is affordable, approximately $160, like 600,000 Uganda shilling, quite affordable price, very beautiful glass. I'm gonna buy this phone, and make sure you guys also buy this phone and have a class with affordable price in your hands. Thank you guys, subscribe my channel, like, share it. See you again with another video with my team Pakor Electronics.